In my previous videos of Fire TV Stick Lite, I have mentioned many times that the default launcher which comes with Fire TV Stick devices cannot be changed and the UI interface cannot be edited, like the advertisement banner in the top and in the bottom, lots of Amazon Prime series, and all of them basically are promotional ads or banners. Your installed application will not be shown in the top of the page, and as well as if you sideload APKs from your mobile or any other places which apps are not available on the Amazon app stores, those icons will not be showing up in the launch all apps list. Here you can see in the screen, if you click on all ads, some apps which is available on Amazon store will be showing up there, but the other side loaded apps name also not there and the app icon is not there, black square icon is there. So in this video I am going to talk about how can change the default home launcher of Fire TV Stick devices and install custom launcher. So let's get started. The default launcher cannot be changed by default. There is no option in build, so you have to do some tweaks and using some third-party apps. Another problem is that do not have internet activated, you can't even use your Fire Stick devices. Suppose there is no internet, you cannot stream online videos, then you might want to play some games, but it is not possible in Fire TV default OS or default home launcher, because then it will show something like this. It will be asked to connect to internet. So let's go into the process how you can install the custom launcher or third-party launcher in the Fire TV OS. Do you want to make website for your business and e-commerce with free social media promotion offer? Then visit Orbefunia now, link in description. If you do not have desktop or laptop, then download the send files to TV app in your mobile and as well as Fire TV Stick. Then download 3 APKs. I will give the link in the description. Download those 3 APKs and transfer those 3 APK files to Fire TV Stick and install via file manager. And remember, before doing that, you must have enabled ADB devices or ADB device bridge in the My Fire TV Stick option and developer option. Enable ADB Android device bridge and as well as enable the install unknown apps. This will enable you to install third-party APKs right away in the Fire TV Stick. So after doing this, now if you have desktop or laptop, let me show you how you can install remotely via ADB. So do note the IP address from the about device of Fire TV Stick, then ADB space connect, then IP address, whatever Wi-Fi IP address in your network, then connect via Wi-Fi. Then you must have to be in same Wi-Fi network, your laptop or desktop and your Fire TV Stick. Then write the command ADB space the APK name or the APK file, ADB space install space APK name, and it will be installed directly via Wi-Fi. And here you can see it has been installed. So after that, go to the all files and here you will find some Fire TV or Fire TV black icon. So when you click on this, it will open up some setting pop-up, enable, disable stock launcher. This kind of setting will be popping up. So all the launcher will be there and the setting will be there. How now you have to enable, disable stock launcher. Here you can see the setting menu, which is the network, equipment control, My Fire TV. All the application shortcut is there, but in the setting, remember, if you disable the stock launcher, you might not be seeing the default setting menu, so you have to enable again the stock launcher to go to the Fire TV Stick setting. So now I'm going to enable or disable the stock launcher, so it will come up on pop-up that is saying the allow USB debugging. So click on the arrow, always allow, and then click on yes. This will be allowing you to install this kind of third-party launcher or custom launcher. And here you can see, if you have multiple launcher installed, then if you press the home button on your remote, it will be asked to choose one, but if you have single app, it will not ask. So if you again want to disable the custom launcher, click on enable stock launcher and click on allow or OK. It will be again reverted back to the default Fire TV Stick launcher. So here you can see in the setting, this notification or all other settings will not be coming if you have custom launcher. So here you can see 3 apps I have been installed, or 3 APK I will give in the link in the description: Launcher Manager, Wolf Launcher and Fire TV settings. So that's it, how you can install the custom launcher. Now another problem, it does not have activated inbuilt widgets. So again we have to do some commands, or using adb cell we have to enable the widgets. By default widget is also not allowed or installed or activated via Fire TV OS. So again the command will be coming when you are going to add any widget. So just copy those commands which is coming out in the screen in the custom launcher or the launcher I will give, then paste on and connect adb cell, again the same way adb connect, and it will be done. So just type the same thing and it will be done. Here you can see no error is coming, no command line whatever you have to do by adb cell is not coming. So this way you can install custom launcher and as well as you can enable widgets. Now I'm just modifying or tweaking some setting in the custom launcher, and I am just adding my favorites apps in the top of the list using widgets. Widgets is not a mandatory thing, you can active or not active, and you can basically, one good thing is that you can manually place app sorting anywhere. So last maybe YouTube you want to be the top of the list, so you can move YouTube app there. So everything is possible in the custom launcher, and this way you can do everything. So do let me know in the comment section how much like this video. If you use Fire TV OS, then you must install custom launcher if you do not have the subscription of those OTT apps, or you do not want to see the advertisement banner or promotion in the home screen. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and stay subscribed to Zoom Tips to get more videos on Fire TV Stick.